This RSX Sport Coupe, as you can see, was left abandoned and neglected by the previous owner. This car has 181,000 miles. His goal was to turn this into his project car, but gave up after installing only a short shifter. We're going to be completely finishing this project and bringing it back to its former glory with aftermarket parts from private label manufacturing, which you'll see later, and tons of other upgrades like suspension, new wheels, tires, and more. And we're going to do all of it in this one video. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this RSX build. That was a nightmare. That battery was just dying. The brake caliper was seized. As you watch this build come together, you can be excited knowing that you guys could actually win this car. It turns out absolutely amazing at the end. This is our current giveaway, and right now you can get entered with 5x bonus multiplier. It ends very soon on the 15th of August, so make sure to lock in your entries, enjoy the build, click the link down below, and this car could be going to one of you guys really soon. This wheel should be able to move freely now. See if the battery is it. Oh, it feels way better. So now that we have those repairs out of the way, the car runs and drives, but let's actually clean up the exterior now before we move on to the next step. This car has been sitting out for many months, collecting dust, dirt, and grime from the outside elements, so giving it a nice wash will give us a clean base to start with. We are here at Mako getting the car painted. It is a couple days later, the car is back from paint. Before we show you the color we chose, drop in the comments what color you think we picked. If you were right, you will win nothing, but we're about to show you guys. The car is all cleaned up and it looks amazing. As you can see here, we have a box or a few boxes with a bunch of boxes inside of car parts for the RSX from private label manufacturing. Like I said, they are helping us make this build happen and sending on a bunch of performance parts from their website. Be sure to check them out, and everything that we use on this car will be linked in the description. You may have saw us talk about it. This is a whole table full of aftermarket performance upgrades from private label manufacturing. PLM decided to help us out and sponsor the RSX build, which I'm super excited about. They are giving you guys 5% off anything that you purchase on their website. And in return, they promise to give me a kickback every time someone buys any of their parts from PLM using that link down below in the description. Not only do you support an awesome brand that's supporting the channel, that also kicks back and helps support me to do more and more videos like this. So thank you so much to PLM for sponsoring the RSX. First things first, let's go ahead and open up this box and see what these coilovers are all about. We are here at Mr. Hondita's Auto and Performance, getting the RSX pretty much wrapped up. We had mentioned before, we have a ton of PLM parts going on, so let's go ahead and get started. Looking good, it's sounding good, and it's ready to go. So let's go ahead, jump in there, throw this on my head, and give you guys some reactions and some driving clips of the RSX with its new and improved modifications from PLM. The car feels so planted. Just hugs the corners. Got a good amount of torque. Feels really cool. Oh, dang. When this thing hits VTEC, you can really feel it crack. With these new engine mounts, man, everything is just snappy. The header sounds awesome. That is a really fun experience. This is like a little go-kart. What a cool little car. Up next, as you can see, we have this rinky-dinky little exhaust, so we're going to be fixing that. Right after we get this exhaust on, we're going to be fixing up the seats, and we went a little bit of a different route, but after all, it is simple build, so stay tuned. Let's go ahead and crank out this exhaust and jump onto those seats. Just to explain these seat covers, being that we're simple builds, we didn't want to spend $500 on brand new seats because that's what these seats are going for. So we found these high quality seat covers, threw them in, and I think they look great. We do have the back covers as well. If you want to put them on, they will come with the car. Stick around to the last second to get your 5X multiplier code. I hope you guys enjoyed the build, and thank you to PLM for making this one possible. This giveaway ends August 15th, so make sure to lock in your entries down below. Like, comment, subscribe for more, and stick around for the next giveaway. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you guys in the next one.